Are you curious about what drives Cleveland's economy and offers the most job opportunities? Today, we're diving into the top industries shaping Cleveland's economic landscape. From healthcare to IT, these sectors are not only pivotal for the city's growth, but also for creating employment. Cleveland is a national leader in the healthcare and biomedical industries, thanks to institutions like the Cleveland Clinic. This sector stands as the city's largest employer, known for its groundbreaking medical research and innovation. The Cleveland Clinic doesn't just provide healthcare, it also contributes to global healthcare advancements. Manufacturing is another cornerstone of Cleveland's economy, historically centered on steel production. Today, it has evolved to include advanced manufacturing techniques, driving the region's economic engine. Companies like Lincoln Electric lead the charge, not only creating local jobs, but also innovating on a global scale in welding products. The financial services sector has also seen robust growth. Major players like KeyBank are major contributors, providing financial stability and growth, and playing a significant role in the local employment landscape. Education and research hold a special place in Cleveland's economy, with institutions like Case Western Reserve University anchoring this sector. As a top employer, it enhances the city's reputation for academic excellence and innovation through education and research initiatives. The IT sector is burgeoning. With tech firms and startups flourishing, Hyland Software stands out as a leader, driving technological innovation and providing substantial employment in the area. To sustain these thriving industries, robust and secure IT services are crucial. That's where Lazorpoint steps in, supporting Cleveland's top sectors with specialized managed services. From healthcare to tech, we ensure these industries operate efficiently by offering proactive management and strategic IT consulting. For more details, visit our website to read the full article. And don't forget to add this to your Spotify playlist for more insights.